Hello class 10. Today we will study about reaction of alcohol with acid anhydride to form ester, and water will be drawn out as like before. You go to my first lecture on esterification, you will get the basic idea. So what happens? In this case, acid anhydride, how it is formed? Acid anhydride, when two molecules of carboxylic acid, let's say we will take acetic acid. Okay, acetic acid. Now you change the orientation of the acetic acid from here. There's nothing but this means single bond. So O, CH and CH3. Right. So when you treat with this one, it is nothing but two molecules of acetic acid. Same compound. This one is a carboxylic compound. So what happens from here? The cleavage will always take from here one and one of the hydrogen from another acetic acid. Two of the acetic acid. So your byproduct will be water. Okay. And these form acetic anhydride. What does acetic anhydride say? CH2, you write first of all. Then single bond O. You just add this one. This is called acid anhydride. What is called? Acid. It is a bridge between the two acetic acid. Acid and hydride. Now with this particular we are going to treat with alcohol and we'll get the ester. Now we'll bring this one as a reagent, right? Acetic anhydride. Let's try to write. Finish acid anhydride. I'll write here once more. Acid anhydride. Now alcohol orientation you just change. Let's say ethanol. Ethanol, okay? And here the reaction is also the reversible first of all. In the presence of acid, what is that acid will take? We have taken in the first lecture, it was concentrated sulfuric acid. And what will be the product here? See here. This will break from the first carbonyl. This is called carbonyl. So this will break and the alcohol H will go out. Alcohol are the proton. It is a weak acid, but it has got one hydrogen to make the solution somewhat acidic. So यहाँ पर अभी आपको क्या करेगा? ये आपको हटा दीजिए. तो हटा देने से क्या होगा यहाँ पर? Sorry. Now here what happens? First of all we'll write the product. So what is the product? This one? See, CH3 carbonyl, then for here 1, then C2H5, then what is the byproduct? This is the byproduct. So byproduct is here CH3 COH. So this is called ester, means ethyl methyl ester. So I will write just the familiar name. You don't have to write in exam, just have to predict ester. So what is the group of ester? I told you previously, group of ester is COH, C2H5 or anything, any alkyl group. So it is the derivative of carboxylic acid. देखो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ये होता है. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का क्या होता है? कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड ये होता है, ठीक है ना? ये आपका फंक्शनल ग्रुप है. यू जस्ट replace the hydrogen with this one. C2H5 or CS3. Then you will get the ester, and this one is nothing but carboxylic compound, no? So what is this carboxylic compound? Carboxylic acid. और ये कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का नाम क्या दिए थे हम लोग? पहला क्या नाम दिए थे हम लोग? एसिटिक एसिड. Acetic acid. Okay, now this is the, see here, the equilibrium was there in the first lecture. Also I have said, when the reactant goes acid anhydride formation, acid anhydride will react with alcohol or ethanol. This is ethanol. So this is a reversible reaction giving you esters and acetic acid. It will go on, but it can't be, when the product is formed, it will reverse back to the reactant. When the reactant formed, it goes to the. So what the Lee Chatelier has said, that one of the product which is formed, which is a useless, which is not usable, but here I want to get it ester, because my prime target is to get the ester, acetic acid, which I don't want. So I will scratch acetic acid and क्या करेंगे इसको सॉल्यूशन, स्लोली मैं इसको क्या करूंगा, ड्रेन करूंगा सॉल्यूशन से. सॉल्यूशन से मैं इसको ड्रेन आउट करूंगा. यू नो द वर्ड ड्रेन आउट? ड्रेन आउट मीन्स throwing out from the solution. As soon as it is formed, I'll throw out the acetic acid, so I'll get 100%, and the net reaction will go from left to right. Once the product is formed, this will be drained, this will be drained, this will be drained, so you'll get 100%. Okay, then I hope you got it, and this is nothing but the ester formula, COH, C2H5 or CS3, whatever, that is the alkyl group. So this is the derivative, means one of the hydrogen removed, you'll get C2H5. Okay, then subscribe my channel as ever, press the like button and pass your comments. Okay, then till then, goodbye.